Good morning, Danny here from the Soccer Expansion Project. Wanted to leave a quick video about what this is all about and introduce the platform and to let you know how we can maybe work together or do some things together for the good of the game. So I've been around the game for about 20 years, originally from England, now in Pennsylvania in America. And the Soccer Expansion Project is sort of an idea or a concept that I had or we would like to put out there just to say, let's start to ask a few questions. Let's start to provide some education. Let's start to ask the questions that might lead to the expansion of the game, to the improvement of the game, all of those types of things, and not really with anything in mind other than, for the good of kids. And my mission statement and at the core of what we're trying to do is to recognize that sport can save kids, and this is why we do it. We can put all the other things aside, but sport can be a vehicle for something that's incredibly important for the social well-being, physical well-being, mental well-being of kids, and we love it. So how can we find opportunities and pathways to make it better? So a little bit of an overrun of what the Soccer Expansion Project is. If you are somebody that's involved in any of these types of things on the right-hand side, are you a provider towards the game, I think is the question. And if you're receiving this video, that's probably the case, and I'd love to connect. But I'm looking for the top people, probably 10 to 12 people inside of these metrics. So people that might be involved in some, setting up club structures or an accountant or an affiliation with a USYS or US Club Soccer, people that know those types of things. We've obviously done it as a club before. But somebody that may be a lawyer that can help people set up with a small business. If you're a soccer coach out there looking to form an LLC, I'd like to talk to you or to chat. Players and coaches are overall taking care of Soccer Profile. They're our partners. We're working with Stuart and Gary Monk. I use the software. It's fantastic. So they're going to be, helping us with sort of the sports IQ, the play development, the coaching development, training methods, and also getting us involved with, the sports site folks and all those types of things. And also then adding an ID and scouting network nationally here in America and also internationally. So that's exciting. Are you somebody that maybe is, provides technology, VO or a scheduling software like TeamSnap? This would be fantastic. Parents, are you somebody that just wants to support that culture change and looking for guidance, or would like to, there's lots of people out there would like to start to ask questions about where this all leads to. And then maybe you are a developer, a franchise, have been through the franchise piece. Maybe you're looking at land development. You're a group that works on feasibility studies, works with local government, that type of thing. So that's sort of our expert panel on the right-hand side. And if that's something that you would like to get involved with and be part of the project, I would love the chance to chat. And on the left-hand side is the rest of the world, including me. People looking to grow the game. This is just that traffic. So players, coaches, clubs, directors of coaching, technical directors, parents, fans, anybody. Inside of the portal, the Soccer Expansion Project, this website will be live in a few weeks. We're working on what that looks like. We're going to work on this idea of community and finding a way to have our idea of impact. And I'm very interested in anybody being involved in here, from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, that understands how big this impact can be on kids. Within that, we would obviously bring in the expert knowledge from the folks here on the right. We would obviously have chat, support, PDFs, presentations. We'll have webinars. We're looking to set one up with Stuart and Gary pretty soon. We would have some forums, some questions, some offers. So maybe if on the right-hand side, the folks might be willing to help out the people within the network to say, hey, we've got this thing. Here's a chance for you to use it for free, or, whatever, just a sound, whatever it might be, any sorts of benefits there. And then educational resources, again, all with the idea, I think my cat just meowed, of growing the game and understanding what is at that core. So we have the YouTube channel. This will be on there now. You can see that there's lots of stuff on there inside of the playlist. There's lots of other videos. There's a few shorts, but starting to ask about structure of the club, refereeing issues, also the tactics. Anything. This is such a vast opportunity, and of course, I'm just starting out, so this isn't massive, but I like it to grow. So if you're seeing this video and you have some interest in getting involved or would like to ask some questions or send me a message, you can certainly do that. I'll make sure there's a link in the in the video here to you to submit some information, and we'll go from there. Overall, excited for the project, and please share with any soccer fans out there from anywhere really, and we can work together to help provide that support for the kids. There's the logo. It might change colors, but there we go. So appreciate it. Thank you.